Hello everyone, this is Graham Fine. I'm with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, so we're at one of my favorites of all time. It's the Residences La Colombe, and we're in front of their 1-bedroom, 2-bath model. This is a gorgeous hallway, by the way. I don't usually say this about the hallways, but man, it's just gorgeous, crisp, clean, very, very elegant hallway. So anyway, we're gonna go in and take a look at this beautiful 1-bedroom, 2-bath. It's a very large apartment. You're gonna love it. So we're walking in and just delightful. There is a full utility room over there. There is a delightful flex space over here. This can be a study. It's a wide open area. It's a study. It could be even for guests occasionally. There's a full bath over here too. So it's 2 baths. It's great. It's 1 bedroom, but it's 2 baths with this flex space. Just simply gorgeous. Hey, and then we walk in, we've got a massive floor plan over here. So much space. It's crisp, light, and bright, and just simply beautiful. Look at this. It's just stunning. The appliances are Bosch appliances. There's gas to cook with over there. There is a huge island. The island's delightful. So you've got a lot of space to entertain. You really, really do. You've also got a full bar set up over here with a wine fridge. Super, super nice. And just a delightful, beautiful kitchen that you're gonna find fun and easy to work with. Like I said, you do also have a beautiful space over here for enjoying life. This is a very large, wide space, so you not only have room for something like this, a table, but then you can put quite a bit of couch space, sectionals over here. It's really large, and then you have almost a floor-to-ceiling window right here that gives you some fantastic views of the city. Downtown Houston, and other views are possible too. So anyway, that's what it looks like here in this gorgeous. Hey, this is part 1. We're now going to do a brief part 2. We're going to go into the bedroom and the bath. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing here on this video, send me a text, and I might suggest do a virtual tour. Send me a text and just say, Grant, I'd love to do a virtual tour of some of the openings there. That's a good way to do it. You don't have to visit in person. We'll just take care of that for free on the phone. Send me a text right now to request that.